Hello, good morning to everyone. Dear students, yesterday we have already learned the what is the trigonometry ratios with respect to angles. Okay, dear. Yesterday we learned what is sine angle, what is cos angle, and what is tan angle. This symbol name it is because if it is angle A, so then we will write sine A or no. And this is dear. It is a Greek letter, okay? Angle will 0 and we will use. And it is a Greek letter. Its name is, we called it theta. What is? Theta. Theta, okay? In place of angle, every time we will write theta, okay? It means sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Maybe if angle is A, then we will say that sine A, cos A, tan A. It means what is angle here? Angle is theta. Theta is like a alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, you know na Greek letter name. So same as so every time we will take angle is theta. So don't be confused with this sign. Okay. So everyone know sine theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta base by hypotenuse. Tan theta perpendicular by base. And three are opposite. Which one? Opposite of sine cosec. Cosec theta is hypotenuse divided by perpendicular, opposite, okay? And opposite of cos is sec theta, hypotenuse divided by base. Next is cot theta is base divided by perpendicular in any triangle, okay? And always remember dear, P, police, bazaar, point, happy, biscuit, sine, cos, tan. One or two times you will read it. You will always remember it. Okay, dear? And always remember cosec is opposite of sine. Sec is opposite of cos. Cot is opposite of tan. Same as it is, dear. Question number 1 we have already finished. Maybe question number 2 you have to do yourself. Okay, dear? Third and fourth are both are same question. So that's why we are doing question number 4. Okay, look at. We have to find 15 multiply. Everyone know 15 into cot A equal to 8. But cot value, cot A means what is angle? A. So cot is opposite of tan. Base divided by perpendicular. But it is multiply by 15 also or not? And everyone know multiply another side become divide. So it means dear cot A equal to 8 divided by 15. Okay, dear? And what is cot? Cot is always tan is perpendicular divided by base. And cot is opposite of tan. Base divided by perpendicular. Okay, dear? Understand or not? So you can write, you can make a triangle like this one if you want to make. It is. Angle A we are using. Angle A. It is angle B and it is angle C. Because here we are discussing which triangle? Right angle triangle. Everyone know dear. If look at and what do you remember what we discussed? These are the ratios of side. What is it? Ratios of side. Maybe it is base. Base is 8. It is 15. Then ratio is 8 by 15. Maybe base is 16 and it is 30. Then what is ratio? So 16 divided by 30. 8, 15. Again come 8 by 15 or not? We cannot say that dear base is 8 and perpendicular is 15 because it is the ratios between. Okay? So that's why always dear direct don't write base is 8, perpendicular is 15. No, we will write let common ratio between. Okay, dear? So what is 8 mean AC? AC divided by BC. BC or not? So let K be ratio between AC and BC. Understand or not? So therefore AC is how much? 8. 8 into K. 8K or no? Understand? Same as it is BC is 15k. Understand or not? It's very simple dear. If I take two side 3 and 4, their ratio is 3 4. Maybe it is 6 and 8, then also ratio 3 and 4 or not. So we don't know these two sides are 6 8 or 3 4. We cannot say. Okay. So it means always we will take their common ratio is k, x, y, z, any. Okay. So what is common ratio? K. So it means it is 8k dear. It is 15k. And we want to find sine. Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So first we will find hypotenuse. Okay. So you write using Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Square of hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is always opposite of 90. AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. AB square dear equal to BC is how much? 15k plus 8k. Okay dear. Dear, if you will take only 8 and 15, then answer will become same. But it is the right process. Okay, it is the right procedure how to solve it. So look at 15k square. 15 square 225 and k square is k square plus 64 k square. Now look at dear AB square and look at it is k square, it is k square. Both are like term. Can we add? Yes. 289 k square. We want to find value of AB. So therefore we have to remove square. And square how can we remove? Taking square root both sides. No need to write only AB square and it is under the root 289 into k square. No, look at square cancel to square root. So it means AB. Now dear look at, don't remove like this one, square cancel to square root, because this is the square root of both numbers, not only k square. So k, if we will take square root of k square, what is become? It is k. And square root of 289, it is 17. So it is become 17k. Understand here? So it means now it is 17k. Understand here? So please note down it. Now I am writing here. Look at. After it, what we want to find? We want to find sine A. Sine A. Everyone know what is sine A? Sine is a perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? BC. 15k divided by 17k. Look at, again k cancel k. Again answer is come same, 15 by 6. Okay, automatically in the last k will be cancelled. Okay, same as it is sec A. Sec A. Sec is opposite of cos. So cos is base divided by hypotenuse. So sec is hypotenuse divided by base. What is hypotenuse? 17k divided by 8k. Again k cancel k. Common ratio is cancelled. So what is remain? 17 divided by 8. Understand here? Same as it is. Question number 3 given. Question number 3. So note down it first. In question number 3, only one thing is given. What is? Sine A. Sine A equal to 3 upon 4. It is question number 3. And find cos A tan A. So first we will find sine mean perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular given, hypotenuse. We will find base. Understand or not? So base you can find. It is come. So it is 3k. It is 4k. And it is come 5k. So find value sine A and A cos. Okay. So please note down it. Okay, and same as it is. Look at first, note down it. Yes, now dear, question number 5. Cosec theta. It's mean angle what is given? Theta. 13 upon 12. Calculate all the trigonometric ratios. There is how many trigonometric ratios? There is 6. One is already given, so we have to find sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, and cos theta. It's very simple, dear. It is cosec. Yes, what is cosec? Cosec theta is always opposite of sine. Sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cosec is hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. Okay, dear. So you can write hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. How much? 13 upon 12. And hypotenuse is always opposite of 90. So it is suppose 13, and perpendicular is opposite of angle. If we will take this one angle is how much? Angle, what is possibility of angle? Maybe 20, 30, 40, 50. What is angle given? Theta. So opposite of angle is always perpendicular. If you will take this one in angle, then it is 12. And if some students we will make like this one, it is theta. So then perpendicular is, it is 12. Okay. Always remember opposite of angle is perpendicular, and opposite of 90 degree hypotenuse. So look at, so what we will do, so same as it is, you can take, it is A, B and C. Okay, dear. So you can take, so you will write, so you make a figure. So what is hypotenuse? AC divided by BC or not? So what is common ratio? Let the common ratios, same as it is question number 4. Let common ratios between AC and BC is K. So therefore it is 13K, it is 12K, and you will find AB. Okay, AB will come 5K using Pythagoras. Okay, so same as it is again, sin theta. No need to check it here because sine is always opposite of cosec. It is 13 by 12, so it is come, dear, definitely 12 by 13. Okay, otherwise sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular 12, it is 13. 12 by 13, 12K divided by, can K cancel K, 12 by 13 or no? Okay, dear. Next, same as it is, next is cos theta, base divided by hypotenuse. Base is 5K, 13K. K cancel K. What is 5 upon 13? Cos is 5 upon 13. Then sec will come 13 upon 5. Same as it is, tan we will find 10. Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular 12K by 5K. So K cancel K. What is come? 12 by 5. And cot is 5 upon 12. So you have to do yourself it. Okay. Note down it. Now look at here. We will use one result in the question number 6. What is this result? We have already learned in the 9th class and 8th class. What is? Sides opposite to equal angle in a triangle, not in quadrilateral. I am talking only about a triangle. Okay, we are discussing only triangle. The side opposite to equal angle in a triangle are equal. It means side opposite to equal angles in a triangle are equal. If angles are equal, then their opposite side is also equal. Okay, dear, it is. Or you can write in a triangle AB, if a angle B equal to C, if angle B equal to C, both are equal, then always opposite side. What is opposite side of C? Angle C. What is? AB equal to AC. What is opposite side of angle B? It is opposite side. So AB equal to AC also. Okay, dear. So always remember, if in any triangle If two angles are equal, then their opposite side are equal. And one more word you can use here, and vice versa. Vice versa mean dear, vice versa mean dear A, B, C. It's mean if, vice versa mean if angle are equal, then opposite side are equal, and vice versa mean if sides are equal, then their opposite angle are equal. Understand or not? Vice versa mean both are opposite to each other. Okay, if sides are equal, then opposite angle are equal. If opposite angle are equal, if angles are equal, then opposite side are equal. So always remember, note down this line. Okay, please note down. Then we will do next question. Now question number 6 dear. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, it's mean given the value of cos angle A and value of cos of angle B both are given equal, then we have to prove that angle A and angle B are equal. We have to show that angle A equal to angle B. And in the starting I told you we are discussing here right angle triangle, in which two acute angle and one is right angle triangle. Okay, so you will write let ABC, let ABC is a right angle triangle at right angle at C, because angle A and B what are given? Angle, acute angle. Okay dear, so it means angle, it is given, look at, it is A, it is B and it is C. C or not? Because angle A and B what given? Acute. Okay dear, so first is we will write given that what is cos A equal to cos B. Now what is cos A? Cos mean dear base divided by hypotenuse. And what angle we are taking? A. If look at, very important, cos A, if it's mean angle we are taking A and base divided by hypotenuse, opposite of 90 hypotenuse, and opposite of angle A is always perpendicular, so it means it is base. So cos A is dear, what is cos? Base by hypotenuse. What is base? AC divided by AB equal to, look at now, it is A, it is C, it is B, and it is 90. Opposite of 90, hypotenuse. Now angle is B. Opposite always, opposite of angle is always what is? Perpendicular. It means now it is base. They are changed. So cos B, base by hypotenuse. Base is BC divided by AB. Okay dear, don't think it is cos, both are equal. No, they are different. Why? Because angle are different, that's why they are different. Okay, understand or not? So now look at here, so you can make like this one, cos A, cos A. Now look at, can we do cross multiply? Yes. AB cancel AB, can we cut? Yes. AB is divide, another side multiply. AB cancel AB. Understand or not? Otherwise here, look at, so AC equal to BC divided by AB. BC divided by AB, and it is divide, another side multiply AB. And AB both are same. Can we cut? Yes, we can cut. Otherwise dear, always remember, whenever there is an equal sign, we can cut numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. But main method is always we will cut numerator and denominator or not. But If there is equal sign, we can cut numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. For why? For making the calculation easier. Okay, to saving the time in the exam. AB cancel AB. So directly you can write A. Therefore, AC equal to BC. Now tell me, in this triangle AC, it is AC equal to BC. If in a triangle sides are opposite, then opposite angle are equal. Opposite angle of BC, angle A. Opposite angle of this side, angle B. Angle A equal to angle B. So you can write this theorem. We know sides. You can write angles opposite of angle opposite of equal sides in a triangle are equal. If AC, it is AC dear. Okay dear, it is AC, it is BC. Both are equal. It's mean opposite angle of BC, angle A. Therefore, angle A and opposite of AC, it is angle B. Therefore, angle A equal to angle B. Nothing is given. Nothing we have. We did here. Only we apply whatever given in question. Cos A equal to cos B. So we will write cos value. We will write cos B value. And we cut. Sides are equal. If sides are equal, then opposite angle is also equal. Okay dear. This is for only in triangle, not in a quadrilateral. Okay dear. So always remember, note down it dear. Now dear, question number 7. No need to be confused here. Only we have to find 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos. So first we will find value of sin theta and put in here. Okay. So what we will write? It is cot theta. Cot theta mean everyone know what is? Base divided by perpendicular. So we have to find hypotenuse. Okay. So we will write cot theta equal to, cot theta is always base upon perpendicular. So you can make a figure if you want to make. You will make like this one. A, B, C, anyone. So cot is base. So suppose it is theta we are taking. Opposite of angle is always perpendicular. It is hypotenuse. It is base. Okay dear. Base how much? BC divide by AB. Perpendicular or not? And BC is how much given? So it means it is 7 by 8 or not? Okay. So what is? So there is some common ratio. So you write, let common ratio between BC and AB is K. Okay. So therefore dear, you will find BC equal to 7K and AB is 8K. Okay dear. We want to find sin theta. Sin mean perpendicular by hypotenuse. We need hypotenuse. So we will write again using Pythagoras. You will apply yourself. Okay, I am right direct. Okay, what is AC square equal to perpendicular square plus base square? What is 7K square plus 8K square? It is become AC square equal to 49K square plus 64K square here. Now AC square equal to 49 plus 64. How much? 9 plus 4, 3. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, it is. Taking square root both sides. AC square root. It means cancel to AC. Don't cut square to this one because it is the square root of 113 also and a k square. Square root of k square k and square root of 113 is same as it is, and into k we will write outside. Okay dear, multiply this one or not? So now look at, we want to find value of this one value or not. Now look at here, we will put 1 plus sine theta perpendicular by hypotenuse. It is how much? So it is dear, you can write, it is cot 7k 8k, it is root 113 into k. Okay dear, so 1 plus sine is perpendicular by perpendicular 8k divided by under the root 113k into 1 minus 8k divide under the root 113k. Divide this symbol. Okay, look at 1 plus cos base by hypotenuse. Base is 7k divided by root 113k. Look at 1 minus 7k divided. Now please look at, okay, 8 into k and root under the root 113 into k. So k cancel k because they are in multiplication or not. Can we cut or not, Azad? 8 into k divided by root 113 into k. K cancel k. Okay dear, like this one. So same as it is, k cancel k, k cancel k, k cancel k. Okay dear. So what is become? Now I am draw this figure. Look at. Okay, it is become, okay, it is 1 sorry, it is become 1 plus 8 by 113 into 1 minus 8 by 133 divide upon what is 1 plus 7 under the root 133. Don't be confused with under the root sign. Okay, it's very simple. Now tell me, 1 plus 8 by root 13, it is two fractions or not? How can we add fraction? By taking LCM. So what is LCM? Look, 1 plus 8 by root 133. What is LCM? Root 133. Same as it is. Okay, so it means 1 by 1, it is 1 or not? So 100 root 13 divided by 1, same number, and multiply by 1 again. It will come 113 plus 8 or not. Okay dear. So I am writing down. Look at what is fraction. Fraction A, it is, what is LCM? LCM is root 113 and it is become root 113 plus 8. It is. Next is become minus only. Nothing is changed. 1, 3. Root 113 minus 8. Now bigger sign. It is divide or not? Okay, divide. Now it is become root 13 plus 7 divided by root 113 into root 113 minus 7. Not the root. Now it is become or not? Now look at. What we can you observe? Look at a plus b into a minus b, and it is root 113. It is root 113. What is value become? Note down this formula. Root a into root a is always a. Okay dear, do you remember? And one more formula, a plus b. A plus b. It is a, it is b. It is a, it is b. What is value? A square minus b square. Do you remember this formula in 8th class? We have already finished. So remember these two formula. Okay dear, please note down these two formula, and now I am writing. Look at. Yes, it is a plus b. A minus b whole square. So you will write a square. What is 113 square plus not minus 8 square divide root 113 into root 113. Okay, this one is become now bigger sign. It is okay. Look at now. It is a plus b, a minus b. So root 113 square minus 7 square divide root 3 into 1. Understand here? Now we will write. Look at it is square of this one. Square root cancel 2 square 113 minus 64 divide 113. Now this big symbol. Okay, divide or not. Now what is become 133 minus 49 divide by 133. Now look at here. Now what we will do? Do you remember in the 8th class? Always remember, it is very important. So most of students did mistake. How to write? Look at, I am writing again 1 equal to 113 minus 64. How much? 3 minus 4 9 and 10 minus 4 49 or not? I think 49, yes. And 1 3 3. And now look at big symbol. It is big symbol. It is 49 divided by 113. And now big symbol. Now 139 minus 64, 64 divided by 1. Okay dear, it's very simple dear how to solve it. Look at what is meaning of this one. It is meaning, do you remember in the 7th class, a divided by b, a divided by b, and it is symbol of divide, and it is c divided by d. And how to solve it? Do you remember? If we want to solve it, a into a divide b, and whenever we change divide in multiplication, always we will write its reciprocal. Whenever we change divide in multiple, reciprocal mean c by d. Reciprocal of c by d, d by c, d by c. Please note down it first. Okay? Please note down it. Now, otherwise dear, you can write it is like this one also. A divided by b, a divided by b, and again divide, big sign, c divided by d. These are 4 numbers like this one or not? Okay, the a divided by b and divide symbol, it is also divide symbol, and c divided by d. These are 4 or not? So all look at. So what is in numerator? A into d, first and fourth. A into d. So always whenever we will write like this, first and fourth multiply, a into d, and here b into c downside, second and third. Understand? Same as it is. You note down it first. Please, you can note down if you want to note down it very fast. We have already finished a big video. Look at now. It is the using of this one. Look at a into fourth. So 49 first and fourth. 1 4 3 3 and divide second and third. 1 1 3. 49 divided by 64. 49 divided by 64. Understand or not? Always remember this one. Okay dear? Because it's very simple. It is numerator. And it is, so 49 divided by 13. It is come downside or not? So 49 divided by 1133. Now, but here 64 is already in numerator and it is gone on upside. Okay? Look at 49. It is numerator. So it is always remain in numerator and it is denominator. So come in denominator. Now divide this side. So 64 is down in downside, so when it is gone on upside. Okay dear, always remember. Okay dear, so it is your distance. Okay, only you have to put the values and nothing, no need to be confused. Sir, what you did? It is, I write here only like a lengthy process. Okay, you can miss some step also. Okay dear, here direct you will write formula. Okay, direct AC this one, and no need to you after cut direct take LCM, and this one only we take the LCM. Only we did here everything in the basics of the 6-7 8 class, taking LCM. Okay dear, and cut, how to cut. Always remember this one. Okay dear, first and fourth, second and third. Okay dear, same as it is second part. What is given in second part? Second part is given. Look at second part. Find cot square theta. It's mean dear cot theta and its square. Both are equal. Okay dear. And already given cot theta or not? What is cot theta? 7/8 into its square. 49 divided by 60. Same answer of the second part. Okay. Cot square, it means it is square dear. Okay. So we already know cot. So it is the your value. Okay dear. So please try to question number 8, 9, 10, 11. Try to yourself. Okay dear. All are same. Okay dear. Question number 8 you have to do yourself. Okay dear. Please note down it. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.